we are always looking forward to welcome interns to join our office because we feel that's the most meaningful and most effective way of learning in architecture. And my own students have always come to me and asked for advice, what to look for during the internship, what kind of practice they should go with. And this is why I decided to do this short series of Apprentice video. Hopefully this is our own personal take of what the interns should prepare, should look forward to, and we are glad that our intern for this year, Alexa, take up the challenge to help us produce this whole series.
I think every apprenticeship journey is always personal and unique. It is always about good growth or bad growth, but not about the good experiences or bad experiences. Being in BETA has enabled me to see my strengths and weaknesses clearer. I was given a lot of opportunities to involve in different stages of projects, to be on site, to attend meetings, and to assist in various drawings and proposals. Review. So, what kind of practice should an intern look for?
There's not about a question of the company being large or small. Important for interns to look for is a good mentor to guide you. Whether it is the principal architect or it can be a senior architect who is willing to show you the ropes of starting from concept design to authority to site and to seeing the project complete. So to me, it's not about the practice, but the mentor, the person that can guide you. So in that way, it can inspire you to continue your studies in architecture, because architecture is not a sprint, it's a marathon for you to continue.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you. That's all for today's video. See you on the next episode.